Figured out how good lately Claude Code is at planning. When you ask it to plan, you can do planning mode. It doesn't always work for me for some reason to hit the shift tab, which is what it's supposed to be. I don't know why it doesn't always get into that, but anytime I just say plan before you do this and ask me, it always comes back and it works. So plan it out before you go. Like, yes, you're going to let it go after once you get your plan out there. But, when you're actually doing the plan, make sure you are in on that part, right? That's the whole point. You got to be in on the plan and make sure it's doing what you want it to do. And then even if you don't quite understand, you got to at least make the decisions of what's going to happen and how it's going to work. So get that planning mode, sign off on the plan, adjust the plan before you sign off, and then come back. Today I had one and I made it much more in depth. So I made it more in depth, and then it was like, okay, well now here's the new plan. Like, no. I don't want just that part of the plan that I just made more in depth. I want that worked back into the main plan. So I went through a few iterations there to get my plan good. Then I say go. I'm not going to say go and then fix stuff afterwards. I want to get the planning part correct, and that's going to save you a ton of time later. So planning, and I'm thinking about doing a Claude Code cheat sheet of all the different commands you can use, because it's a little hard to keep track of in there. Put a comment below if you'd be interested in that, because I'm building that anyways, but I may make it easier to access. So put a comment below if you think that would be interested. Put Claude, and let's go. Let's see how we do.